Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to claim rewards in Mobox. Mobox combines DeFi, NFT farming and gamify on the Binance Smart Chain. BSC users can earn rewards such as Mobox tokens from staking, farming, Momos or NFT items from the boxes and events, mining rewards from the Momo hash power. Claiming these rewards ensures your earnings and transfer to your wallet so you can use, trade or reinvest them. So first open any of the web browser that you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar. Type down mobox.io and enter it here, and make sure to connect to your Mobox account. And once you reach into this interface of a Mobox, you need BNB in your wallet to pay the transaction gas fees when claiming the rewards. Depending on what you are claiming, mining, farming rewards, go to the mining camps or the farms, or you can simply go to this Dragon Burst Neo here. And once you reach into this interface, you can go to this Hall of Fame and you can find all of this reward here. You can claim each reward by selecting to this reward here with the addresses, and make sure to finish the game, and after that you can claim this reward over here. And some pools or games accumulate rewards automatically, but you still need to claim manually. Check whether the pools have a minimum threshold. You may need to be able to claim the amount until the minimum is reached. And always have enough BNB for the gas fees. Double check which token you are claiming. Some pools give multiple rewards types. Claiming more frequently prevents reward overflow or the expiration in some pools. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.